guys, and welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect waffle ice cream sundae. So make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So guys, these are the ingredients you need for step one. So you need a mixing bowl, of course, a measuring cup, Funfetti cake mix, Funfetti icing, vegetable oil, vanilla extract is optional, 3 large eggs, and a hand mixer is optional as well. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a spoon and just mix it like that. So yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to mix the ingredients. Okay guys, so now I'm about to mix the ingredients. So how I'm going to mix the ingredients, I'm going to follow the exact instructions on the back, except I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla butter extract just so I can keep that buttery taste and add a hint of vanilla. So I'm going to show you guys how the mix is going to look. So I just finished mixing my cake batter, so now I'm going to show you the consistency. Okay, great. So now I'm going to add it to the waffle iron. So now my waffle iron is ready. So before you start, you definitely want to make sure you add cooking spray so the waffle doesn't stick to the iron. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put the mix into the iron. So guys, you always want to make sure you start from the middle so it doesn't overflow. Okay guys, so this is how the iron should look. So it shouldn't be too much and it shouldn't be, you know, not enough. So now I'm gonna let it cook and I'll show you guys when the waffle is done. Your waffle iron should notify you when the waffle is ready. So now we're about to do the ice cream sundae. Okay, so now it's time to make the sundae. So these are some of the ingredients that I'm using. Of course, these ingredients are optional. You guys can pick what you want. You know, if you don't like caramel, of course, you can use chocolate. You can add marshmallows. You can add cosmic brownies, like literally anything. So, yes. Okay, guys, so this is how my sundae came out. So, on the bottom, we have a caramel drizzle just for presentation. We have vanilla ice cream and whipped cream on both sides. And then we have peanut M&Ms, you know, just for a nice little snack. And on top we have strawberry shortcake cut in half, and on top of that we have a strawberry syrup. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys send me some pictures and videos and let me know how your sundae comes out.